You cannot avoid digital world in your journey anymore.
The biggest challenge our customers have is electrification at the moment. We need to change from diesel engines to inverters and electric motors. And that means there's a big change needed in software development. Those inverters are packed with a big pile of software and everything needs to be controlled and checked with functional safety.
Time to market is one of the challenges there. Another is our planet, that we need to also look at the sustainable future. So there are the huge transformation happening in industrial domain and our customers. The digital transformation is the key nowadays, all the OEMs. What we are currently seeing that all the machines are connected to internet, that you need to exchanging the data between the machines, between the operators. You are creating more and more advanced digital services based on those data. And all the OEMs are looking kind of new areas to grow their business. And this comes to digital side of those services. And of course then you think that machines itself, that they are coming more autonomous. Or then that there are the systems that are assisting driver be more effective, be more safe. And these are all kind of digital, so you cannot avoid digital world in your journey anymore.
The software plays a crucial role in modern vehicles, in modern processes, because the complexity of the systems is constantly rising, and without putting software into those systems, you can't handle that. Software is not an add-on, but the software is at the core and the machine is a housing for this software.
Everybody are talking about the AI and things are coming, but then the challenge is actually that how to take control of your data. Your data quality need to be excellent, that you could bring value at based services based on the data. And typical challenges is also in our end customers that they are working kind of many silos, that R&D is own silo, they use the engineering technologies, but there are not then the connection, example, manufacturing side and operational technologies. And then on top of these are the whole enterprise IT technologies. And all of those are kind of separated silos. And we are now thinking also together our customers that how to take a grip data quality, the data flowing from R&D phase to production, and then when those machines are filled and providing the digital services. When you have this in handle, you can manage really the new era of digital services.
Cybersecurity is somewhere in the stretch of ownership, sovereignty and regulation. A machine in the past, which was plainly mechanical, didn't have this demand, but for connected devices, for connected machines, and also connected factories, it is crucial to have an eye on high cybersecurity standards. That's not only for NIS2, which requires to have those standards, but also for continuous ownership of the systems.